What's up, guys? This is the Park City Cup Series. Let's get it. Vamos!
Hey, yo, what the frick? This guy's walking like he's not late. Did you just wake up, bro?
No, I had pizza. It was so good. It was bomb.
Get the frick out of here, bro. Shut the frick up. Let's go.
Just play a little simple, be smart, work as a team, it's covered as a team. If you need support from your teammates, you need to get back. If Jarek is playing the whole field, I need the other players to do the same thing. Okay, just make some. I want to see everybody running, everybody working together, good attitude, good body language.
Let's go, boys!
Go!
One, two, three, real!
Back inside, Gabriel! Up! Finish. Oh! Ryan! Get in there.
Oh, get that. Oh, where you at, bro? Get in there. Nice shot.
Good try, boys. Try, boys.
Velocidad, Oscar, velocidad. Llévatelo, llévatelo. Nah.
Alex, pass the ball. Don't do too much.
You got it, you got it.
Oh,
Get in there. Oh, safe. Where you at, bro? Get there, get there, get there. Oh, shoot. Nice ball, boys.
Little more.
Good try,
A
Angelo.
little more this way, and that would have been it. Win it, win it, win it.
Búscalo, búscalo.
That's a rare beat. That's
Go, Gabby.
Nothing there. Oh, he touched it. Nice, Gab. That a boy. Find out. Go in. Ryan, we're losing every ball, son. We gotta make quick decisions. Watch it, you gotta grab it. Watch it. Watch it. You got one ball every time on that side. Hit it. Jared, keep your head up. Look on that side. 1v1s every single time, hijo. Hey! Good, Moche. Go tight. Try tight end.
Or you are not Jackie.
What you see? Guys, hey, look up. Yeah! Time, get up! Go in! Win it! You got time, you got space, go! Time, show! Keep it simple. That's the problem. They're really winning every single goal. Guys, we start with some shots on goal. Now we don't have shots on goal. Why? Like I told you, I want you to take a shot, but you need to challenge the keeper. Okay? Find the goal. We can score a lot of goals if you guys take good shots on goal.
Hello.
Now, what I was telling Alex, right here, Alex, you got the 1v1 right here. Sometimes a 2v1 right here, right? And the first thing you're trying to do is what? Dribble both of them. You don't have to, okay? Be patient, remember? We're close to the 18. We need to think. We need to breathe. We need to stay calm and composed so we can score a goal. Right?
Let's go, boys!
Go.
Intensity, boys, intensity. United on three. Shut up. Real on three. 1, 2, 3, Real.
Hey, you caught my shoulder.
Freaking jerk.
Done. They were like, we made no choice. Even like I'm like the weirdo that like they had to go to tune-up board with me like 3 different times and all the things. It was like it's like a 1% rate, of course. And there's been thousands of them. So I'm always the weirdo that has all the weird things. So when you say that's my mom.
Yo!
What?
We gotta warm up because Coach Will said you gotta get
What time is it? That's what Mike said. That's just warm
Simple, Santi, simple. Hey, come on. Come on, Titus. simple. You have to start it.
Mark, find
Read the
some.
game. Read the game. Read the game.
No foul, Mark.
Ref, thank you. Good call, ref. Thank you.
Time. Take your time. Make sure it works.
Oh, yes, good.
No foul, just stay in front.
That's a foul, ref. That's a foul, ref.
Go. You got it, go. You got it. Go, go.
Hey. Yes, Musayev. Ref, come on, ref.
Come on, Fred. All right, hey, it's all right. Come on. Oh, yeah, go tonight. Fred, you gotta have more energy.
the last 10 minutes that we play as a team? We should have scored at least 3 more goals. We need to stop being so selfish. I need you guys to work as a team, okay? It wasn't a bad game. I mean, just because they scored 1 goal. When we get to the final third, it's just like, okay, I'm the forward, I want to score the goal. I'm the winger, I want to score the goal. That's not how it is. I'm the forward for this team. If I don't score, but my teammates score, that's what I want. First 5 minutes, we got 2 opportunities to score the goal, right? We missed those 2 chances, and when we keep the other team alive. They know all of you guys. So every time they know they're gonna play your team, they're gonna do whatever they can to beat us or not lose. Did you see the last 2 minutes? They were just here.
You guys know how beautiful the first 5-10 minutes looked? The connection and the combination plays and the attacking, it was beautiful, guys. Then these guys score and we panic and we start playing different soccer, right? If we could play like we did the first 5 minutes, you guys will dominate every team out there.
Tomorrow. It's our day tomorrow. 2 games. Gotta keep those 2 games. Okay, ready?
Round on 3! 1, 2, 3, go!
He didn't even die for tying shit.
No way, they already scored at Avalanche.
What do you guys think of that game?
We played good. I think we needed a little bit more intensity and finish our chances.
Hey guys, get a picture together.
Gavin and Bo, bro. The Clutch Boys. I love it. Let's get a pic here real quick.
Get a picture.
Yo, another guy? Who's got the smallest shin guard? Is that you, Jerry? Ty, how do you like those small shin guards, bro?
I'm trying to be Jack Grealish.
Jack Grealish?
These are the best.
Oh, yeah?
They don't affect your game.
Okay.
Jerry's gonna get some shingles that are this big. Yo.
Yeah, might as well use a pine cone, bro.